Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna start up again where I left off in the last video. I've got my deboned chicken here, and now I'm gonna roll it up. And here's my secret weapon. This is my Schedule 40 chicken stuffer. Chicken net stuffer, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I don't really have a name for it. All I did is I took a piece of Schedule 40 4-inch PVC pipe, and I chamfered the outside on one end and the inside on the other. Obviously, the net goes on here on this end, and the chicken stuffs in here in this end. Now, I'm going to cut a piece of this net, and you know, it's not expensive, and you don't do this every day, so cut it a little longer than you think you're going to need. I'm going to cut about a foot off. And I'm going to tie an overhand knot in the in one end. Can't tie it in both ends because then I can't get the chicken in. So I tie it in one end. Make sure that ain't going to come loose. And this stuff is very stretchy now, but you got to help it out a little bit. Okay, so start at the beginning. Pretty clever, huh? Now, all I got to do is stuff the chicken in this end and push it on through, and my chicken is in that tightly stretched net. I've already seasoned it, so I'm going to make sure all the little bits and pieces are aimed towards the middle, and I'm going to roll it up. Now, I'm going to put it in my Schedule 40 chicken stuffer. Get in there, chicken. Give him a little pat on the hiney there. Pack it down good with my hand. And now, I just push it on. Push it on out. And I'll try to catch this so it's nice and tight. Now, I got a nice little chicken roast in a bag here. Oh, I forgot to cut me a piece of twine. That's alright. I'll just do this with another overhand knot. Try to, anyway. Hey, get on there. See, it's a good thing I didn't cut it just barely long enough, huh? Now, nice little boneless chicken roast there. Season it a little more. I love this stuff. It's, it's simple. You can make this up yourself at home. The only ingredients is red pepper, salt, black pepper, granulated sugar, granulated garlic, oh, they're making it fancier now. Didn't used to be this many. Used to be like 3 ingredients. Ground celery, granulated green bell pepper, and no MSG. Sorry, folks, if you like MSG, there ain't none in here. Now, I'm going to get me a roasting pan with a rack. Oh shit, I forgot to preheat my oven. Let's see, anything in there? Nope, nothing in there. Okay, bake. Let's see. That little bird, I think I'll set it about 310. Now this is the smallest roasting pan I got. It's still a little big for this bird, but that's alright. Now, it really makes things a lot easier if you got a nice rack like this. That way all the juices can drip down there, and instead of the meat just fermenting in those juices, the juices are, well, they're down in the pan. You can make a gravy out of it. You can you can separate it and take the fat, skim the fat off, and make a roux with it. All kind of stuff you can do with them juices, or just leave them and just spoon it over the bird when you serve it. Whatever blows your skirt up. Anyway, so this little fella's ready to go in the oven. And the nice thing about tying it in a net like this is when it's properly cooked, and once you let it cool down a little bit, you can slice this in the prettiest slices you ever seen, as long as you don't try to get too medieval with it. Like ½ inch is about the thinnest you want to try to go, but about 3/4 inch, 7/8 of an inch thick slices work real good with this. You can make sandwiches with it, serve it like little chicken steaks on the plate. It's a beautiful thing. Alright, so that's it. I hope this thing's recording. Alright, bon appetit, YouTubers. I'll see you later.